एक पहचान हूँ। मैं एक बदलता हुआ कल हूँ। मैं वो रोशनी हूँ जो अंधेरों में भी लोगों की जिंदगी में उजाला लाती है। मैं एक क्वीन हूँ जो आज अपने सपने जीने आई है, अनअपोलोजेटिकली, प्राउडली, पैशनेटली। ये सिर्फ एक पैजेंट नहीं है, ये एक जर्नी है जो हर उस औरत का सपना पूरा करता है जिसे कभी दुनिया ने सिर्फ जिम्मेदारियों में बांध दिया था। 14 years से हमने सिर्फ क्राउन नहीं दिया, हमने हर एक औरत के जज्बात, उनका जुनून, उनकी आवाज को एक मंच दिया है। हर सीजन एक नई कहानी, हर क्वीन एक नई मिसाल। This is a legacy, a movement, a transformation. ऑटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्डवाइड ने हजारों जिंदगियों को रोशनी दी है। From silence to spotlight, from a homemaker to headline maker, from a career-driven to passion-driven. ये सफर हर उस औरत का है जो कहती है, मैं सिर्फ माँ, बेटी, पत्नी नहीं, मैं हूँ और मैं तैयार हूँ अपनी दुनिया जीतने के लिए। और आज हम उस सफर के 14th सीजन पर खड़े हैं और कह सकते हैं, This is not just the beginning. This is the result of months of dreams, dedication and unstoppable determination. हर एक कंटेस्टेंट जो आज रैंप पर चल रही है, वो सिर्फ ब्यूटी नहीं, एक कहानी है। वो सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, एक रेवोल्यूशन है। आज हम देखते हैं, जीते हैं, महसूस करते हैं हर एक पल को, जहां women from all around the world are not just participating, but living their dreams. Let's not just witness. Let's celebrate every woman, every journey, every dream, because this is where queens rise. Welcome to Otmon Mrs. India Worldwide Season 14, where beauty meets purpose, and every woman walks not just the ramp, but writes her own destiny.
Excited to be here. We just landed in Dubai and it's like an all-girls trip. We are having so much fun and Dubai is stunning.
So Dubai, hello, we are here today starting off on our journey for the next 7 days with Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide Season 14. Super excited, thrilled.
All the way from down under Australia. Well, it's minus degrees there. And look what I've got in Dubai. A bit of a fan to cool me down. Can't wait. It's an exciting adventure. I would love to see you guys very soon. Ciao.
जब दुबई की रोशनी इन पर पड़ती है तो सिर्फ शहर नहीं, उनकी ताकत भी चमक उठती है। हर कदम पर है एक नया कॉन्फिडेंस, हर मुस्कान के पीछे एक जीती जागती कहानी। ये है ऑटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्डवाइड सीजन 14 की फाइनलिस्ट्स। भारत और दुनिया के हर कोने से आई वो नारियां जो सिर्फ सुंदर नहीं, समझदार, स्ट्रॉन्ग और अनस्टॉपेबल भी हैं। ये रैंप सिर्फ फैशन का नहीं, ये उनके सपनों का मंच है, जहां वो सिर्फ वॉक नहीं कर रही, वो अपनी पहचान को सेलिब्रेट कर रही हैं। They don't just wear the crown, they wear courage, grace and glory.
Super thrilled to be here representing Chicago at Mrs. India Worldwide Hotmon Season 14.
Hello, Namaste. I am Sakshi Mittal, a proud crown chaser for Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2025.
Being here in Dubai and meeting all my co-contestants is like being on an all-girls fun trip.
Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide Season 14 is gonna rock it.
Rakhi Saha, the fire element for 2023 Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide. Rakhi, can we have you here, please? Meet the official photographer for the pageant, Mr. Costa. Can we have you here, please? Ruchika Chauhan, the reigning queen, Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2025. Sure that you all would be excited. You all are waiting to interact with a set of groomers, the winners, the founders, and of course I forgot introducing myself in all the run and chaos. I totally forgot, even I am a part of this. Hi everyone. So well, I am Shubhra Brahman and I have been your social media groomer from last 3 to 4 months, and it has been, you know, an extremely wonderful thing grooming you all and seeing you all doing so well for yourselves. The ravishing couple, Sunny and Kavita.
Good evening, girls. Finally, the time has come for which we are waiting since last 6 to 7 months. Yeah. And I can see the changes when I saw you first on the social media, and when I see today, we see the drastic change, the change which I think people also have, you know, seen in yourself, that how you have changed from the day you have enrolled to today, right? And I'm thankful to all my groomers. Now the 4-5 days we are here together. Let's live like a family. We always call that we are an extended family of Hotmon. The best part the Hotmon has is that we have connections with all the queens since 2011, and they are all our family. And I expect the same from you people.
From the lady herself, Mrs. Sandhya Brahmer. You know, I think she wants to wish you all the very best for the pageant. So over to you.
Good evening to all. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप लोगों से मिलके. सब आप लोग अपने अपने फील्ड में एक्सीलेंट हो, बहुत अच्छे हो. और ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, भरत जी ने जैसे बोला कि सब आप लोग विनर्स हो, तो नेचुरली आप लोग इतने मेहनत करके आगे आए हो, तो सबकी नज़र में आप लोग विनर्स हो. ऑल द बेस्ट. सब लोग आप लोग अपना बेस्ट दीजिए और जीत लीजिए.
So eyes on the crown. With the other groomers and their partners, we'll be playing a short introduction video of all of you. So let's see ourselves on the screen. Now it's time to finally interact with the queens before we move forward. So we have Rakhi Saha, the fire element winner for Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2023.
I would love to thank to Bharat sir, then Miss Shubhra, whole Hotmon team to give us such a wonderful platform so that we can show our talent. We can develop our engagement through social media. Don't have nowadays social media is more strong, you know, which has given us the opportunity to meet each other physically, to get a bond so that we will be celebrating our womanhood, right? We are here today. So each and everyone, do your best and show to the world that yes, we can do. Yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you.
So now it's time to meet the reigning queen, Ruchika Chauhan, Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024. And I'm now going to let Ruchika do all the talking.
Thank you so much, Shubhra. Standing here today, trust me, I am getting goosebumps. and I'm sure you all are also in the same shoes. I have been there where you are today. It's not easy. This journey is not easy. But I really want to thank Bharat sir and the entire team of Hotmon who have actually made it possible for all we Indian women, married women, to relive our dreams and be here, and this opportunity to live our dreams and have those wings to fly, which we always wanted to. And I'm living my dream today, and I am very, very excited to see you all working so hard with your social media tasks. You guys have aced it. You have taken it to the next level. And you all have actually made us so proud that women, we married women, if we come down to doing something, if we put our mind to it, if we set a goal, we can move mountains. And I am sure you all are going to be rocking these next 6 days.
One round of the biggest scream out of your heart that you have no fears of being in this room.
So
Bravo.
that's how, I mean, like, it's so nice to be here, and I'm sure we all will have a great time. As I said in the last session, I mean, the session what we had, I'm your best friend. So try to be mine. And I think we'll get the desired results. And let's rock and roll. Yeah. Thank you so much.
We look forward for a wonderful season. Till now, we saw you all on screens, and it is lovely seeing you all in person. Hopefully, you all remember whatever we taught you in the sessions, and you make our life easier from tomorrow onwards.
First season was amazing, and this season looks grand and bigger and better. So without saying much, just work hard. How much you guys have worked hard, I've been seeing on social media, and it's not easy, you know, having a family coming from different parts of life and doing this, walking the ramp and preparing for the pageant. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.
Give it up for Lubna ma'am, the choreographer, the show director. She's just arrived all the way from New York. Of course, the clapping and cheering shouldn't stop.
तस्वीर के पीछे एक कहानी है, हर स्माइल के पीछे एक सफर। आज हमने सिर्फ एक दिन नहीं जिया, हमने एक नई दुनिया का दरवाजा खोला, जहां ड्रीम्स सिर्फ देखे नहीं जाते, जिए जाते हैं, जहां दर्द, डर और डाउट्स सब एक एक करके पिघल जाते हैं एक स्टेज की रोशनी में। As the lights dim and the night embraces us, one truth stands tall. A queen never waits for a crown. She knows she is the crown.